Hello traders, happy new year in advance. I think the people who are in New Zealand and Japan, those guys are already in the brink of the New Year Eve. So happy new year guys. Let's get back to the analysis. This is a pair which is the most popular and most volatile at the moment is USDJPY. And this is yearly time frame we are watching now, and you guys can see that this yearly time frame we have two rejection. Last year it tried to reach this area 152, and this year it tried to reach 152, but failed. Both places it has failed, last year and this year too. And today this is the take we have, but we don't have a double top on here based on the yearly chart. Each single candlestick represents a single year. So if we see that this is from where we can take this one or this one, or from where this double top is being created or could have been created, and here is the place where it has been rejected twice. From here it has been rejected, this has been rejected, this has been rejected, this has been rejected. And the fundamental change we are now considering is that US is planning to for a rate cut in the first quarter of 2024. On the other hand, Japan Bank of Japan is planning to get out of its ultra low interest rate of negative 0.10%. So if both happens, then it will have a double impact in the whole system. The US dollar will lose a lot of strength against the Japanese yen. On the other side, the Japanese yen will boost like anything. So please keep this fundamental change in mind whenever you take the trade. Now let us take a look at the structure of the market, and if we see that what we have here is this, that it has failed two consequent year to break out, break above the top, uh, considering this whole range. It is almost 87. If we consider 88, then it is 12 plus 35 years of its data is represented here. So let's get back to month. And in month we have a double top officially, which has been made, I think, from somewhere here. Sorry, here. This is the double top we have, and this double top was resisted, first formed last year 2022, and again it tried this year and it failed. So this is the thing we have in month. So let us draw the double top at the moment. So this is the double top. This is the double top. This is, we have the double top now. Let's change the colors. And we need it red, and this guy should be red also, sorry. This is the situation. We have an official double top in monthly at the end of December. Okay, if you see the candlestick here, it is almost we will not say engulf, it is a outside candle, we say, when it surpasses the more than 150% body of the previous candle. So it is a bearish outside candle, and again it opened and it created a huge candle which is very powerful. You guys can see it, it already surpassed 1 and 2. 2 months of whole thing has been taken out here. So it is officially, we can say that we have a monthly, we have a break of change of character, and we have also had the break of structure already, and so we don't expect anything very big now on the side that it will go bullish immediately until otherwise we see some retracement, and the last double bottom was created from here. So far I can remember it is 127, something like this, if I'm not wrong. This is the place this is where, from where it is started, 127.28, something like this, where this zone has created this stop. So this is our bottom, this is our top, and both has been done officially. So the price will at least come to this region, and that is for sure. How long it will take, we don't know, but it will come here eventually. And okay, so this is 50% of that, and we have a opposite color candlestick here in month, so it will resist the price for the time being. That is the nature of the structure of the market. So let's move on. We cannot say anything. There is a possibility of a double bottom here in this region due to this single. Always a opposite color candlestick, especially red in uptrend, is a very powerful candle, because you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months trend has been stopped by this single guy. So this is very powerful. Buyer and sellers are involved there. Now getting into week, do we have an officially double bottom? No, we don't, because we need a green and red. Here we need a double bottom, we need a red and green. This guy is not there, so it is, we have red and green, but we have a red, no green is here. So what is stopped this price here? Let us see. In daily, we have anything? No, daily we don't have, and you guys can see that it is breaking out. It retested this zone. It came down to this. It retested this zone, went up, taken out all the liquidity from here, and it pushed the price on bearish side here. Again, it tried to move up. All fair value gap has been taken out on this here, and when any market gets bearish or bullish and takes out all the fair value gap from the previous areas, only we have a little fair value gap left here on daily time frame. Otherwise all fair value gap has been taken out. If you guys can see, this guy has been taken out here, this guy has been taken out 50% here, this guy is a little bit left, and here we have something left, but this guy taken out here, this guy taken out here, and again it came down. We have a fair value gap here. Maybe we'll see something here. So I am expecting something here, and which is in line with our monthly. This candle, you guys can see, this is the place where we can have a double bottom created somewhere here. So if we go to day time frame, we can see that either here or here, but I will not choose this guy, rather this guy. Both of the guys, this guy is most powerful, because this is when it went bullish, it tested, and this guy didn't allow the market to get bearish again. So this is the place from where the market started moving upward. So be careful, guys, when you take trade on USDJPY. Now the question is this: what I would expect, or we'll expect. Let's go to if we just for the cautiousness, if I put it something like this here, I think it is better for our understanding, and it should be the line. Yes, this is the mark where if it breaks, then it will come down like anything, guys, because after that nothing is here until here. So from 138 to 134 is a zone where it will have a free fall, but here we have something. So let's see the current situation, because we could have a double bottom here too, though it has been rejected from the bearish side as well as the bullish side, and this line is intact currently because it got bearish, then it opened, it tried to break the line, and again it get below the line. So still the bearish bias is much more higher at the moment. Let's go on 4 hours. You guys can see, can you guys see it tried to break out above this line, and it failed, and it came down with a very big candle in 4 hours time frame, and now it has tried another 4 hours, but it failed to go near to that line even. So my take from this that if I take a trade, it will be bearish completely. No bullish trade I will take at the moment. It doesn't support that at all until we see any. So here retest is already completed because it came down, retested for 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, almost 1.5 day. Already retest has been done and came down, and this green is. So I will go for go short to be a little bit conservative, though we can go short right now. But let's see that if it plays out something more here due to this zone. There is something, can we see here? There is something here. No, nothing is here, guys. There is nothing. There is a little bit indecision here, and that is creating the impact of that of this small green one. So go short on let's see, if we go short, we will go short at 141.87. that will be too high, guys. 141, no, that will be too high. I don't think it will reach there. I think 141, the concentration is here. 48, let's say 48 is the 48 or 50. The stop loss will be 141. Now this is the biggest issue. That is a little bit higher actually, but the minimum we should give at least this area. 70 TP1 will be our first. TP1 is to touch this line. This is 138.78. 138. Let's say 80. And I have to check something else also. Hold on. If we go to day now, this is the neckline has been broken already. So in normal sense, when we measure how much it can go, it will at least go if we measure it. Come on. So how much it will move on the downside? If it moves, it is 1046 pips. This is the movement it will have. So and which will ultimately come down to this area, which is highly concentrated, and the 50% of that is we are expecting this area. So this area and this area will be. So let's cover first target we'll do is this red line 138.80, and the second one will go 136.14, and the third one will go 131. So this is 138. This is 138.80 is our first target. 80. 138.80 is our first target. The second target should be here. 133 over here. Let me put it SGP2 here. 133.84. 134. That's it for USDJPY. Please make your own analysis. Please do proper risk management in your own comfort zone. Don't take too much risk on USDJPY. This is very very volatile, because if the Japanese stick to its current ultra interest rate and the US doesn't cut its interest rate for any such reason, this market will just swing like this. It will move like this again. So be careful about taking trade. Always check the news, because whatever it happened, it came down from 151.67 to current level almost 1100 pips, if we are not wrong. 1100 points pips, yes, 1161. And there is no fundamental change. There is no fundamental. It is just a news which pushed this price to 1161 pips. So be careful when you take this pair. Take care, guys. Have a nice day. Bye bye.